Welcome to Practice Easy English. Jobs and occupations. Plumber, plumber. The plumber fixes pipes and water systems in houses. Carpenter, carpenter. The carpenter builds and repairs wooden things like furniture. Electrician, electrician. The electrician fixes electrical problems in houses. Architect, architect. The architect designs buildings and homes. Barista, barista. The barista makes delicious coffee at the cafe. Hairdresser, hairdresser. The hairdresser cuts and styles people's hair at the salon. Veterinarian, veterinarian. The veterinarian takes care of sick animals and keeps them healthy. Dentist, dentist. I visit the dentist to keep my teeth healthy and clean. Doctor, doctor. The doctor helps people when they are sick. Teacher, teacher. The teacher teaches students in the school. Police officer, police officer. The police officer keeps our community safe. Firefighter, firefighter. Firefighters are brave and they put out fires. Chef, chef. The chef cooks delicious food in the restaurant. Waiter or waitress, waiter or waitress. The waiter serves food and drinks at the cafe. Driver, driver. My dad is a taxi driver and he drives people to places. nurse, nurse. The nurse helps the doctor take care of patients. Engineer, engineer. An engineer designs and builds things like bridges and machines. Artist, artist. The artist paints beautiful pictures and creates art. Singer, singer. The singer has a lovely voice and performs on stage. Pilot, pilot. The pilot flies airplanes and takes people on trips. Farmer, farmer. The farmer grows crops and takes care of animals on the farm. Journalist, journalist. The journalist writes news stories for the newspaper. Librarian, librarian. The librarian helps people find books at the library. Mail carrier, mail carrier. The mail carrier delivers letters and packages to our homes. Scientist, scientist. The scientist conducts experiments and discovers new things. Cashier, cashier. The cashier works at the store, handling money and helping customers. Photographer, photographer. The photographer takes pictures of beautiful places and people. Gardener, gardener. The gardener plants flowers and takes care of plants in the park. Banker, banker. The banker helps people with their money at the bank. Mechanic, mechanic. The mechanic fixes cars and keeps them running smoothly. Actor or actress, actor or actress. The actor performs in movies or plays on stage. Translator. Translator. The translator helps people understand languages they don't know. Coach. Coach. The coach trains the team to play sports and get better. Salesperson. Salesperson. The salesperson helps customers choose products in the store. Reporter. Reporter. The reporter writes stories about events for the news. Postman or postwoman. Postman or postwoman. The postman delivers letters to our homes every day. Author. Author. The author writes books and stories.